Our RM10 sweepstakes for that 1971 supercharged Chevelle is officially closed. If you're entered, we're going to announce the winner in just a few days, but I am here to show you RM11, one of the most iconic American sports cars in history, this 1964 Corvette Sting Ray.
Minus 10, 9, 8. We have a go for main engine start. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1.
RestoMods.com is giving away this 1964 Corvette Sting Ray or $50,000 in cash. Want your chance to win? Join the RestoMods Car Club today. For $8.95, you're going to get 10 entries every single month that you're a member. You could take home our 11th sweepstakes car, this 64 Corvette.